Adding products to your Shopify store from AutoDS is a straightforward process that enhances your dropshipping business. Here's how to do it. Integrate Shopify with AutoDS. Start by connecting your Shopify store to AutoDS. Log into your AutoDS account, navigate to the Settings tab, and select Integrations. Follow the prompts to connect your Shopify store. Find products. Use AutoDS's product search feature to find items you want to sell. You can browse various suppliers and filter products based on categories, prices, and more. Import products. Once you find the product you wish to add, click on the Import button. A pop-up will appear where you can adjust product details like titles, descriptions, and pricing. Customize these to fit your brand. Set pricing rules. Set your pricing rules based on desired profit margins or markups. This step ensures you maintain profitability on your sales. Add to Shopify. After finalizing the details, click Add to Shopify. AutoDS will automatically push the product to your Shopify store, complete with images and descriptions. Review and publish. Go to your Shopify store, review the newly added products, and make any final adjustments. Once satisfied, publish them to your online store.